Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart, and we'll be looking at the trends, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. And this is the daily chart of Bitcoin. So yes, we have seen a good momentum today because it looks like that the price is not going anywhere. It's not leaving this 20,000 mark. So again, it's trading higher than this 20,000 level. So that is something which looks good. Secondly, if you look at the volumes, so volumes are also accompanying this particular upside momentum. So 7% it's up, but let's see what can happen by the end of the day, because we require the closing price. We are more that the closing price is more reliable, so we'll be looking for that part. But again, it is pretty much clear from this whole momentum that the price is not going anywhere. It's not leaving this 20,000 mark, which is somewhat looking good. So what we can expect, we can take up this 20,000 level as the support level, and we can take up 22,600 as the resistance. So currently it's very near to 20,700, and if I am not wrong, so today the price made a high of around 21,000. So that is very near to 21,000. So yes, let's see, maybe we will see more volumes, because if we are getting this much of volumes till the afternoon, definitely by the evening we'll get more volume. So that is something which looks good here, and now we can expect a little bit more upside, and at least the price will come towards the resistance of 22,600. Now let's move on to the Ethereum. So for the Ethereum, our level of 1725 it's already reached, because we were talking about this thing that the price is basically trading in a range. So this is the range, this is the support area, which is of 1510, and this is the resistance area of 1725. Now look at today's high. So the price is basically made a high of around 1725, and yes, our target it was hit, and volumes are more are better than the Bitcoin. So that is something which is interesting. Now we need to see if the price closes this particular level higher, then we will definitely look for the higher level, which is at 22,000. So this is the level, but again the journey of 2000 is little far from here. So what we can see, we can just taking this level as the resistance, and then we'll look at the closing, and if the closing price happens to be at around here or below than this, then again you will see further fall in the Ethereum. So yes, today's closing will be an important one, because a lot of things will be cleared by the today's closing. So this is all from my side today, and if you are liking this video, so please subscribe to the channel, like this video, hit the notification bell icon, so that you don't miss out anything in future. So let's meet on Monday. This is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.